Salam, I am Mesfin. Welcome to Reading Tigrinya Lessons, Lesson 12. This is our last lesson. In the lesson 11, we have learned the labivalor's Ge'ez alphabet. Kwe, 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 Khwe, Gwe. In the lesson 12, we will learn the two orders of Ge'ez alphabets, Hahu order and Abugida order. Hahu order is a modern one, and the Abugida order is ancient one. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Hahu order. Abugida order. The word Abugida is derived from the four letters Abugida, in much the same way that abecedary is derived from Latin letters A, B, C, D, or A, B, K, D. Abugida, he, u, zo. Abugida. The Abugida order is similar to the Latin, Greek, Arabic, or Hebrew orders. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Abugida, he. In this table, we can see the derivation of Ge'ez script from the ancient South Arabic alphabets. A, B, G, D. Abugida order similarity to other alphabets. For example, to Arabic, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal. To Greek, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, Epsilon, Zeta, Eta. Abugida, he, u, zo. A, B, G, D, H, W, Z. Let us see the first 8 letters of Abugida. A, B, G, D, H, W, Z, J. In the rows, A, Bu, Gi, Da, He, U, Zo. If you see the 7 rows here, they are not the same as we learned before. Here are the different letters, not one group. Here are the one group letters. Z, Zu, Zi, Za, Zie, Z, Zo. Then we can see how is Abugida formed. This picture is an obelisk in Matara, Eritrea, with a Ge'ez script. At this point, we can see how we can use the Ge'ez alphabets as bullet points. For example, Ha, Sim, Le, Simabo, Ha, Letuludi, Me, Botatuludi, Re, Zegnet, Se, Adrasha. Complete Ge'ez alphabets with Latin explanation or Latinization. Ge'ez alphabet without the labials. The letters divided into groups as we learned for our lessons: B group, D group, H group, G group, and Re group. The both orders, Hahu and Abugida. Those labials are used only in Amharic language. The completed Ge'ez alphabet: Ha, Le, Ha, Me, Se, Re, Se, She, Ke, Re, Be, Ve, Te, Che, Ha, Ne, Nye, A, Ke, Che, We, A, Ze, Je, Ye, De, Je, Ge, Te, Che, Pe, Tse, Tse, Fe, Pe, Kwe, 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 Gwe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.